Watch out, cool kid!
Go! It's whipping my left
I'm gonna get you.
Hello, my YouTube friend. I'm here today with the cool kid.
Yeah!
And we are excited for a mystery box.
Yeah!
So, cool kid, are you ready to see something Fuggly?
I don't know what that means.
Fuggly is very Fuggly. It's ugly, but really ugly. You ready for something really Fuggly?
Yeah.
All right.
Don't call me Fuggly. I am cute.
All right, so I want to thank Spin Masters for sending us this Fuggler box. It was a complete surprise, so thank you.
Thank you.
So let's start digging in. So we're going to open up this mystery box today. Inside it, oh, all right, we got this box. Inside this box, we have
Fugglers.
a mystery box of Fugglers. And the cool kid's been excited to open this box since we got it a couple weeks ago, but he has no idea what Fugglers are. Do you know what they are? Have you seen a Fuggler before?
No. And look, actually, it looks like the box is beat up, but it's mostly not beat up.
Yeah, well, the box is supposed to look like some crazy creatures are in it. Let me show you the cool box they sent. So it's the Fuggler box, and it says funny, ugly monsters.
I think I kind of want to collect them.
Oh, I've been wanting to collect these. I didn't even know they were sending us this box, so when it came in the mail, I was excited.
I want to get all of them.
They're like plushy dolls, but they have teeth and they're ugly.
I said don't spoil it.
Don't spoil it? Okay. So you want to open it up but not look to see what's inside?
Yeah.
All right, close your eyes. I want to show them what's inside without me looking. I don't want to look either. I want a surprise. Okay. All right. Hey, everybody. That's what the Fuggler box looks like. I don't know what it looks like, but this is what it looks like.
Are you done doing it?
Yeah, hold on. I'm going to close this so we can... I want to be a surprise. We're gonna put our hands in there and just find something Fuggly, I think.
Okay.
Okay, you ready? All right, cool kid's digging in.
I'm just...
All right, tell me what it feels like.
It feels furry. Mega furry.
Furry? Okay, there's a purple one I really want. What did you get? Let me see what you get. Pull it out. Yeah, I think it's purple one. I love it. This is the one I wanted.
I want to keep that one.
Feel his teeth. Does it feel like real teeth?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, this is awesome. Oh, okay, I'm going to take him out of the box so we can look at him, all right? Let's look. You want to see what he looks like out of the box?
Yeah. All of them out of the box.
Yeah. We're going to open them all up so you guys can see. The first time I saw these in the store, when you see them and it's just this Fuggly face, you're just like, what is that? Have you seen them before?
No.
Feel his teeth. Feel how it feels like. Okay, these are awesome. These things are Fuggly.
Now I want to open it.
Okay, let's get it open. Wait, there's a flap. Can you get the flap open? Okay. All right, there we go. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
All right. Oh, he's adorably ugly. Oh, and he comes with a adopt the Fuggler registration thing.
Oh,
that is cool. Oh, let me try. Oh, he has claws too. Oh,
yeah.
All right. Well, the purple one is the one I really wanted. So maybe you can keep the other one if you really like it. Okay.
I want this one.
Yeah, the purple one is awesome, right? He's an awesome monster.
Well, if there's a blue one there, I'm definitely keeping it.
So
blue's one of my favorite colors.
Oh, he feels pretty soft. I like the way he feels.
It's like I can calm him while I'm in bed.
Yeah, he's cuddly but ugly at the same time. I love it. I'm a big fan of ugly cute.
Say Fra!
So I'm a big fan of ugly cute, and these things. This is right out the top of the line of things I want to collect. I think I'm going to start collecting them. I love it. I love it. Just how he has the eyeballs, so it looks like real eyeballs and real teeth, but he's soft and he's like a furry monster.
Oh, look at those claws. You can stick your whole entire finger in there.
Yeah, he is. Oh, he's adorable. We're going to have to fight over this guy.
Yeah, I want You
he's
go.
Cute.
You go.
Oh, wait, did you go first?
Yeah.
No, did I go first?
I went first.
Okay, so my turn. Okay, we got... oh, that feels like fur. Fur. This is a piece of plastic. Oh, this is another Fuggler. I'm going to go for the other Fuggler. I'm going to pull it out. Oh, look at those teeth.
Oh, I think I kind of want this one.
Yeah, look at how cool he looks.
He looks like on the back, he looks like what is it called?
He's like a ragdoll, but like a monster version. Let's get him open.
Peel off.
Okay, we gotta show him what he looks like.
Stuck on my finger.
Oh no!
There. It was on the box.
Okay.
It's stuck on my finger again.
He's stuck in your finger again. Okay. Oh, look how cute he is. So this one is like felt. Oh wait, is he stuck? He's stuck in the box. I gotta get the box.
Always.
All right, cool kid. All right.
Oh, yep, that's why.
This one is cute. All right, so would you be happy keeping the brown one if I keep the purple one?
I don't know, because I'm going to fight over that one.
The purple one is adorable, but this one is awesome. He's ugly cute as well. I love it.
Okay, I'm going next. Let me go in.
All right, I'll show him while you're digging them out. So he's like a felt feeling, but
What is this?
I'm not sure. Pull it out. See what we got.
Goggles!
Oh, is that to protect you from the Fugglers?
Uh-huh.
I don't know.
wear them.
Oh, put them on.
So you...
I'm kind of scary. Why do we need goggles? What are those for?
What's hair in this?
Oh no, what are you doing? Like experiments with plushy monsters? All right, you good? Yeah, let me fix this. Okay.
This is my first pair of goggles.
Okay, you ready for me to throw
Yeah.
something at your face? That's why you got those, right? Okay, what is this? Okay, we got. Oh, this. This weird, like, it looks like broken glass, but it's rubbery. So I think they make it like the Fuggler broke out of glass. Doesn't it look like glass?
Uh-huh.
Oh, the glass shards!
I kind
It's
of
just
want to play
rubber.
flawless.
Yeah,
And I kind of want to play this.
Oh, and then we got some weird fur lining gunk. Oh, a Band-Aid. Oh, this is gross.
I want to see if it's real.
Yeah, it's a real giant Band-Aid.
Yeah, oh my gosh.
Yeah,
that's
you're supposed to like the
actually
Fugglers attacked you. That's what's like. You put a Band-Aid on, like the Fugglers got you, like that. Okay, let me see. Let's see if we can feel anything
That's
else. Ooh, I feel more glass shards.
Oh, those are fun.
All right, feel in there. What else is in there?
Okay, I'm going to... Oh.
Annoyed alien. Oh, that's a cool little card. All right, let's look at the box. Let's see what else is in here.
More glass!
Oh, more glass. Oh, this is cool. I love it because it looks like real glass, but it's just rubber, so you can pretend like you're gonna hurt
Like
someone.
this. You can do that.
Oh, that's cool. Oh, they have all these cards. Oh, these are cool.
And they also have this.
What is this? It's licorice cream. Is that actually candy? Let me check out the ingredients.
Oh, hey, guess what I found?
I don't know what this is. Oh, it's toothpaste. Oh, it's licorice toothpaste. That's very interesting.
And guess what I found? More glass and a little journal I found.
Oh, and there's a piece of caution tape that you can put up because the Fugglers are
Look.
in.
Look, it has a little book
Yeah.
in it.
All right.
Oh my gosh, look at the face. I kind of want that guy.
Okay, let me show you all these cards so you can see which one. We have the Teddy Bear Nightmare. We have the Gap Tooth Magoo.
I think I kind of want that one.
The Gap Tooth Magoo looks cute. I like that one. We have Sasquatch. That one looks cute.
Oh, I kind of want that one too.
I like this purple alien. The
I
annoyed
want it.
alien.
I want
Yeah,
that
we
one
might
too.
have to start collecting these. Sir Horns a lot.
I kind of want the whole entire set.
I know. I kind of want them all too. Suspicious Fox. Okay, and then we got annoyed alien. This is like another alien. This one looks cool. He's like a burlap looking. And then we got indecisive monster.
I want that one except this one.
This
Looks
one?
Sleepy.
Yeah, this one's called Squidge. Squidge. That is cool.
I didn't like Dad, give me my gun!
Alright, so I really, really like the Fugglers. I definitely want to collect a lot more of them because I think they're kind of creepy
Yeah.
cute. You want to
Yeah.
try to get some more?
Don't think I'm cute. Think I'm friendly.
Okay, so I'm really happy to get the purple one. That's the one I wanted the most. I want to thank Jazzwares again for sending us the Fugglers. These are really adorable. I really want to collect them. I love creepy cute. The purple one is the one I wanted the most, so I'm happy they send it to us. You're happy they send them to us? These are a lot of fun. We're going to have a lot of fun playing with them because they're just so creepy and cute and awesome. What do you think?
Awesome.
Yeah, awesome. And we're going to put a couple of videos above our heads to other fun, creepy, cute plushie characters. Thanks for watching. Bye!